Number one, cute. Very cute. All right, it's another day on the Delta, different location. And let's see if we can catch some fish. It's Reese, Spool, and Keith. It's been a couple days since I've been out. Let's see how it goes. Got one? No. Same size. Number two, baby. Yeah, this guy's a largemouth. Those others were spotties. Still not big though. Okay, I finally got a decent one. All right, got a fat one. Very good. Thanks, buddy. Thanks for playing. Here we go. Oh, stay away from the motor. Stay away from the motor. Come on. Ooh, he's a good one. He's a good one. He's a good one. All right. There we go. All right. A good old drop shot. Pulls off a decent one. Way to go. There we go. Nice drop shot fish. I'm guessing 2.5 pounds. Very nice. Another drop shot fish. No. Get away from the motor. Okay, there's liking the drop shot. They are definitely liking the drop shot. I think that's number 5 or 6. Okay. Alrighty. We're going on a decent little bag here. There you go. This guy don't want to straight his tail out. This is number 6, I think. We're playing. Number 6. Gonna do it for the day. It's about 1:30. I gotta say, I haven't had a bite in about 2 hours. So, to me, that means the writing's on the wall. It's time to call it a day. So, Free Spool and Keith, thanks a lot for coming along. Hopefully, you figured out what you can catch, and most importantly, on what the tide is. So, thank you, and tight lines and good times. Yeah, it's basically a bass boat for one person. You can tell them.